Hello everyone. In the previous video we learned that how we can send an email in the Laravel application, right? So now the time is to move to the another methods, how we can change another method in the Laravel. So we have a to method and send method in our controller. It's a to and it's a send. So you can change multiple attributes here like BBC, CC and stuff like that. So let me go through the documentation. So there are, you can also add a later property if you want to send an email after 10 minutes. And let me go to the documentation here. So let me show the closure way to you, that how you can send the messages through a closure. Here you can pass a closure and then you can change multiple like subject and to and stuff like that. And yes, here you can get this from this closure like this, and then set the from, and you can also set the sender to CCC, reply to, and you can also add the subject as well as priority, and you can also attach the path. So here you can attach the path like a storage path and or public path. It's depend upon your requirement how you store this like in the storage or public. So attach to array and get swift mailer. So from this you can get the swift mailer message, and you can also pass this raw text in your body, right? So you can copy this from there and pass this to this mail chain. You can chain method, right? So there are a lot of attributes, so you need to read this documentation and implement it one by one. So these are optional stuff, right? You can need queue or later or so that's so you can do this. So hope you understood this, and I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.